everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you in a very easy tutorial how to calibrate the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer that you see right here. Once again, this will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into the video. So if your smartphone stabilizer, your Osmo Mobile 6 by DJI, is not sort of stabilizing properly, it probably needs to be calibrated, and it's a really easy process. Okay, essentially I'm going to show you how to do it in a few very simple steps. First and foremost, you want to turn on the gimbal. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the gimbal itself and make sure that your phone is connected. In order to know that your phone is connected, you can see that solid green light there at the top, not the battery light but the one above it. The solid green light lets you know that it's connected. Now I'm going to unlock my phone. This is actually my old phone. I'm throwing it off because I'm holding the phone in place. This is my old phone that I just use for like tutorials where I need a phone to use. So I'm going to go to the DJI Mimo app. Okay, I'm going to open up the DJI Mimo app, and as you can see right here, this is what it looks like inside of the app. As you can see, there I am. Oh, there's the camera. You guys are getting a behind the scenes view here, of my massive filming setup. I literally have a windshield mount and a camera. That's like literally, it's me, my windshield mount, and my camera. That is, or me, my little mini tripod on my camera, or me, my big tripod on my camera. Those are essentially the three ways that I film my videos. Basically, that's it. Literally, like, that's how I've built this whole channel. Is just me and a camera and something to hold the camera. Sometimes if I forget my tripod, I'll just hold it myself. Anyways, let's just turn this on. This is one of the coolest features. Look at this. Way! One of the coolest things. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to go to the menu on your screen. So the menu is just those three dots over there. So I'm going to go and I'm going to go push the three dots right over there. And what it does is it opens up your different options over here. It's kind of hard to see. I do apologize, but just take my word for it. You push the three dots on the top left corner of the screen, in portrait mode at least. And then, which is this mode right over here that you see, sort of the vertical mode. And then there's a few options at the top. You're going to go to your gimbal options. So there's a couple options. Like there's going to be your photo options or your video options. You want to go to the gimbal options, which at this time is the middle one. You're going to go to your gimbal options, and there's an option that says gimbal auto calibration. Okay, I'm going to turn it towards you. Hopefully you can see this. It says gimbal auto calibration, and essentially when you see that gimbal auto calibration, you're going to click that button. You're going to tap that button. It says calibrate. Once you tap calibrate, this is the older, I don't want to say an old guy, an older man walking, and he's like looking at me like this because I guess he's probably like, why is this guy talking to himself? Well, guess what, man? I'm talking to potentially thousands of people. You never know how many views this video is going to get until I put it out. We'll see. You want to hit calibrate. Once you hit calibrate, it's going to tell you to place it on a flat surface. It's going to do a couple movements to calibrate it, and that's it. So essentially, to calibrate your Osmo Mobile 6 by DJI, all that you got to do is go open up the app when it's connected to Bluetooth via Bluetooth to the actual gimbal itself. So your phone and your gimbal are connected. You're going to open up the DJI Mimo app. On the top left corner, you're going to click those three dots to open up the menu. Go to your gimbal menu, and then beside gimbal auto calibration, you're going to click calibrate, and that's it. And it's going to do a couple things. It's going to calibrate, but that is essentially, I'm going to turn off my phone here. I'm going to lock my phone and turn off the gimbal. That is how to calibrate the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer, a full tutorial for absolute beginners. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.